Sounds that I think are extremely funny. Number 1, puke. Number 2, the sound that a Minecraft villager makes when you trade with it. Ha! 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 3, puke. Wait, I meant fart. Number 4, burp. Well, it's pretty easy to burp for me. I just gulp and then just let the burp out. I make deep burps and high-pitched burps. Deep burps are like this. Kind of funny. And the high-pitched burps are like this. That's why they make me laugh so hard. I'm crying laughing. That's it for today.